Hello everyone. On a recent visit to Ikea, I saw a newly installed Ikea kitchen. It was a modern kitchen with the white high gloss base cabinets and blue high gloss upper cabinets. Now, I want to share some mistakes one should absolutely avoid when installing an Ikea kitchen. Let's start with this upper cabinet corner. There's a continuous 1/4 inch gap between the panel and the molding. That is absolutely unacceptable. Next, molding has two sides to it. One side is rounded and another is straight. Whoever installed this kitchen connected the molding using two opposite sides. This is obvious mistake. Before I move on, check out this other cabinet corner. Terrible in every way. When there is a corner cabinet installed, you should never choose or put oversized handles. Opt in for a smaller version in the same series. Oversized handles bring more damage than use. Your door faces will need to be replaced in no time. Next is this drawer under the oven. When installing the shelf for the oven, your calculations must be absolutely precise, so that your drawers does not damage the oven. This mistake is the result of miscalculation on the installer's part. Now it is still functional, you can just give it a strong push, but it is definitely not meant to be done this way. Whoever installed this door forgot to put in a push opener. Plus, it is not adjusted and keeps hitting the oven. It needs to get adjusted to the right. Whenever you're cutting the filler, it is best to use a newer blade, so the cut looks flawless and the kitchen looks beautiful. And make sure your filler size is right, so you don't have this sound when closing the door. What is that? An obvious gap. And this molding? Connected in the most visible way. Now wait till we get to this corner. What's the point of this? To make it more interesting, I guess. And the bottom here looks defective, just like the other filler above the oven. Cut with the old blades. Look at this cooktop cabinet. There's no need to notch the cabinet. All you need to do is calculate your measurements precisely, and IKEA cooktop should fit in perfectly. In this case, the cooktop should have been moved a little to the right to make the perfect fit with zero adjustments to the cabinet. Overall, a beautiful kitchen. Of course, without these mistakes. Thanks for watching. If you found this video to be useful, like and subscribe to my channel to see more upcoming videos on kitchen installation, process, and tips.